Ooh. I'm not working on my Cadena wallet, I'm working on Sharpinit. Hold on. It's a very impromptu stream. And I've been thinking about it for all day, but... shoot, where's my other Firefox service? Just real quick. Is it too loud? Okay, sorry. Hello. Let me know if that sounds better. Yeah, just let me know. Oh gosh. Anyway, I am here because I just logged in to my Arch thing. Yeah, it's not complete yet, but this is... There's obviously some things that I need to do. What did I do? Okay, we'll look at that. I have to restart anyway, because I have to... So the latest is that it's trying to launch the per user systemd instance, and since it's using the what do you call it? The systemd unit files, it's trying to launch systemd and not sharpinit. So I'm just gonna patch the user service, the user service manager service file. I can just SSH in here. Let me zoom in a little bit on these terminals. SSH into my Fedora virtual machine. Mount 2, which is my Arch partition. Wait, hold on. And then I'm gonna go to etc sharpinit units. I'm gonna create a drop-in directory for user at that service. I'm gonna first look at what it looks like, just to know what I need to patch. So that's the user manager thing. I'm just gonna do by. Oh shoot, that needs to be called etc sharpinit units user at that service.b. So we're gonna override probably type symbol exec starts. I think that's supposed to be that. I think that's pretty much it. We can look at okay, so this is going to be okay. So that's going to override the default sharpinit user service manager instance unit file. So I'm just going to reboot, try to boot back into Arch with sharpinit. While I do that, I'm going to bring my chat stuff up. Any gems? This is a gem. You're a gem. So you can see the output from sharpinit on here. It's parsing all of the systemd units. We have a login screen. Oh, there's this one thing. SSHD is refusing to start because of something. Let's see if this succeeds. Oh my god, it does. I think a little bit. So now I should be able to do like sharpinit ctl -- user. Oh, I can't type. What the hell? It's trying to... It's restarting Getty for some reason. But what started this? So much output. Okay, so user at zero.service. That's us starting the user service manager. This is the user service manager scanning a bunch of stuff. It loads a bunch of units. Oh, it's trying to... Hello. Hi, welcome. It's trying to launch all of those units. So we need to pass, I know. Unfortunately, this is not a packed stream. This is a C# sharpinit stream. But yeah, I've been picking it back up. So the problem here is that the user service manager is scanning all of the units, the system units, and it's not, yeah, it needs to not do that. It needs to only scan user units. So we're just gonna have to patch that into our drop-in file. Probably modify the environment, set sharpinit unit path, which is what we use to scan for systemd units in the first place. Then I should look at that SSHD thing, because it would be useful to SSH into this thing. So I think SSHD is transitioning from failed. Oh right, I don't have the SSH host key generated, so that's the thing. But okay, so first of all, we're going to modify the user at .service. User at .service.d. We're gonna set sharpinit unit path to probably something like, how do I get the home path? You know, I think we can just set it to be empty for now, so at least it won't scan the entire system units. What else do I need to do? Oh yeah, so DH client is erroring because it can't find that device for some reason. And we need to generate an SSHD host key. You know, I think we could just copy the SSHD /SHD SH host. Just copy all of these to mount etc sh, or mount to, sorry, that's the Arch links distribution partition. Let's try rebooting and see where that gets us. We need to tail the output from this. SSHD. Oh, screw you. I'll have to modify those. Yeah, that is the font that I'm using. Let's see. User sharpinit CTL. Oh, we're frozen. So trying to activate everything all at once again. Let's see how many units did we scan? Oh god. Yes, it's a very good font. It's very easy on the eyes. Oh, a lot of those. It's scanned units. Loaded. Oh, okay, so that's still not good. Scanning these directories, so that environment variable is not being reset. Oops. So we need to look at that. Is C# vastly different than C++? It is pretty different. It is quite different, I would say. Maybe even vastly different. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna change this song, but maybe I shouldn't. Okay, so modify, let's make that 600 on mount 2 etc sh sh goes to all. I'm not changing gauge record. Mount to etc sharpinit units user at dot service dot d sharpinit unit path. Why doesn't that work? It should be. It's my what the environment's statements look like. Or is it under exec? Okay. Sharpen unit path. That is the thing, right? That is we're yeah, sharpen unit path. Okay, let's reboot, I guess, and hope that the codes fix it, I guess. The double codes. Oh, can we SSH now? Oh, but we're failing to bring up the network interface. I wonder what it's called. Well, we can check. Okay, I'm gonna go back up because I saw it. Get done. Is it loading all of those files? I don't want it to. User add 0.service. God damn it. C++ is definitely not going to be easier to learn than Pact. Pact is much more direct. What are we gonna do about that? You know, when we're starting the user service, it should show us what environment variables are being passed to user at 0.service. That's all. Oh wait, that's the user runtime dir thing. Oh, do I also need to change the service type? Because it seems like it's not returning from that activation. This is a problem. Unsettled. Maybe did I implement this? I hope I did. Yeah, yes I did. Okay, I guess we can use that. Unset environment. God, it's so sunny. Oh my god, it's indexing all of them! Do I have like a script that's bound to bin sharpinit? It's the only thing I can think of. Why would it be setting that for itself? Oh yeah, let me see. So, bin sharpinit, what is on? Are you complaining, Gay Joker? You better not. Better not. Bin sharpinit, right? Sharpinit. Where's... Oh, it says symlink. Sharpinit. Why is it setting that? Wait, hold on. Maybe it's because user lib systemd user at that service. Oh yeah, the type is notify, which is not good. So we're gonna need to fix that. Oh, I just turn it to simple. And I'm setting the environment here. What do you want from me? Where's your VIP? You want a VIP? You better work for it. I'm gonna change it because it's distracting for me. What should I do? No. Okay, so the problem is for the uninitiated, I don't seem to have control over the environment of my user service manager, my user instance of sharpinit, because there's a user instance of systemd too for each user that's logged in. There's a user service manager. I have to have an analog to that. And there's an environmental variable that controls what paths are searched for unit files. For the system manager, it's set to all of the systemd directories, but for the user manager, I don't want that to be the search path, but I also don't want it to. Well, yeah, I don't want that to be the search path, but for some reason it inherits the this sharpinit unit path from the system. The system service manager. I need to put it on its own fucking thing? Or do I need to maybe it's because... Okay, I could set it to, like, root /config/sharpinit or something like that. I'll try it again, but it doesn't seem to be listening to me. It doesn't seem to be processing those things. Hey, oh, it worked, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay. I just needed to set it to something, I guess. Okay, now if I do sharpinit... Well, okay, let me do a set font. Let me, what do you... Don't I have that font? What? Why? I was just setting this, like... Not that long ago. But now I have... user status... Hopefully this works. Okay, well it's going to work. I also have my parent slice. I have my session set up. I think I can log in via SSH. Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? Do I have my SSHD logs? So my SSHD is alive. If I cat proc 2322, or I can just... Oh, I don't have it. LSOF. So a bunch of things are weird, that's for sure. Is it under FD? How do I know what it's listening to? I know, yeah, I run Arch. Why is my SHD not listening? Oh, I don't have network. LS dev ENS. Where's my Ethernet devices? IPA. ETH0. Okay, so I need to enable. Oh, that's probably because my UDevD is kind of scuffed. Do I even have my UDevD up? Sharpinit CTL. UDevD.service. Oh, status, sorry. Okay, I have systemd UDevD, which is inactive. Yeah, I bet it wouldn't go up. Okay, so I need to import UDevD that'll work without systemd, which I think will cause the network device to be named correctly. But until then, I might as well go to user, or well, go to etc systemd system. Multi-user target wants lns user lib systemd system dh client at service to dh client at eth0.service. So that should at least oh shoot, I should have synced to disk. Now I'm booting into Fedora. Okay, yeah, that's a bunch of things. Oh yeah, the UDevD. I need to copy a UDevD from my other partition. One that'll work without systemd, because systemd UDevD is going to complain about not being under systemd. It wants to talk back to systemd. So I probably want to shin, look at my udevd.service here. Probably just copy that as is. Why is that calling systemd? I bet that's not actually systemd udevd. Copy that to mount to etc sharpinit units. Mount user bin systemd udevd. Let's look at the version of this. Oh, that actually is systemd udevd. That's strange that it works. So why isn't systemd udevd itself going up? That's the systemd udevd service file. I guess I can see some differences there. Yeah, I can see. So I'm just gonna actually just make a drop-in directory for systemd udevd. Move udevd.service under that drop-in directory. Just so I can preserve, like, dependencies and such. Modify that file. Reset exec start. Reset exec start post. Remain after init, etc. etc. That's all good. Do I need to do anything else? Do I need to override the udevd config? I don't know. I think I'll try. I think I'll just try this as is. And I'll just reboot. Okay. Oh, whoa, it actually did. So now I should be able to SH in. I can, and I did. And now I have multiple sessions. Status dash.slice. Let's see what we have. Oh, I can't, for some reason. I can do it like this. I can't pipe it into a pager. Okay, well, systemd UWD isn't even being pulled in. So I think we could just do that. We could do like vim or mkdir basic.target.once, I think would be good. lns user lib systemd systemd UWD service into APC sharpinit units basic target once. Probably sysint target once would be better, but if we try to just start it, systemd UWD.service, what happens? What happens? I should also garbage collect those C groups. It has never been activated, and it doesn't want to be activated. Doesn't seem to want to start. Hello, Jacker, welcome back. Carbide Codes, thank you for the follow. Why doesn't it want to start? Oh, let's look at our processes, actually. Oh, we're not setting term. Oh, that's probably why there's a bunch of weird behavior with the pagers and stuff. So we can just .NET edit, probably set, export term Linux, I think would be good. I don't know what exactly fits here. Sync, reboot F. What was I just doing now? Never activated. That's it, that's all of it. If I do sharpinit CTL show systemd UWD.service, print a bunch of things. Oh, wait, do I have bin systemd UWD? Oh, I don't, of course. Do I have UDEV ADM? Okay, now I just need to copy system, or well, systemd UWD. Is that my executable? Yeah. So I need to copy that into bin, under bin. Let's look at the environment. Is term set? No, term is not set. Term is not set. Why is term not set? I hope that'll do something. Oh, okay, term is set. So can I do like, can I do less now? Unfortunately, I can't. Oh, shoot, okay. I think I understand why it's doing that, with the exception, because the command tries to access the width of the terminal. So yeah, it's probably some TTY stuff that needs fixing. Is my UDevD anywhere to be seen? I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Does system to UW conflict on anything? Is it those deactivations that are the problem? First of all, let me SH in so that we have a more comfortable view here. So, not being started. Started UWD. No, you didn't. I truly have no idea why. What if I made it its own unit? Sharpinit units system D udevd.service D into here under udevd.service. Okay, sharpinit CTL daemon reload. Oh shit, okay, so UDEV, oh, okay. So there's something with systemd UDevD specifically, that's the problem. So let's set up our sysinit.target.wants etc sharpinit units udevd.service into sysinit target.wants. And let's see what happens. Sync reboot. Hopefully we can set our font. That's... It did seem to initialize the frame buffer. Root... Yeah, okay. Fuck, finally. So now we have our UWD going. We have our SHD. We have our network device. I'm feeling ballsy. Oh, we don't have Sway installed into here. Holy shit! Do you think I could just install it? Whatever. Yes. You think I could just install it? Sway? No, not yet. Get seat. Okay. I'll just need to implement that because not much could have changed. Sway, an older version of Sway does boot up successfully under Sharp Suite. Okay, let's see get seat. Get seat. Login 1 manager. Where's my login interface? It's under session, right? Is it? Oh no, it's under the manager. Task object path. Get seat async. Let's implement that here. Should be easy, quick, straightforward. If seats contains key seat ID, ask for seats. Oh god, why is writer lagging? Return null, otherwise just return seat ID dot path. Or don't we have seats? Okay, I guess they're not implemented as ID bus objects yet. Oh, that needs to be an interface, I think. Does it? iSeat. Does it need to have any? I don't think it needs to have anything. We don't have an object path. How do we set the object path? In our session, for example. Oh, we should probably implement seat in... Not in this project. I need to actually get rid of that. Project. Because I'm just implementing it within the main sharpinit project. Okay, finally, wherever we're creating seats, oh well, okay, object path. But wherever we're creating them, this comma seat ID and this comma seat ID. What's it complaining about here? Oh, this needs to be an async. Is that it? Yeah, okay, no errors. Let's try sync and reboot. Let's try building it. Prage. How would you say that? How would you pronounce that? Prage. Prage, yeah. I know what you're saying. I'm praying. I'm a praying frog. Arch, sharpen it. Jeez. Okay. Login. What do you think? Sway? Screw you. Okay. Well, I guess we're progressively implementing more of the login dbus interface. Come on, you're trying too hard. Why do you want to know if the seed is active or not? Well, what signature? What property are you trying to fucking ask for? What property is it trying to ask for? So I need to implement this. Oh, come on. I think that's by default implemented by the US library that I'm using, but it's not. I'm not exporting the right properties. So. Oh, hold on. Seat. That's the wrong name. Can I implement multiple interfaces here? Oh, okay. Get async, so... This item? Or do I even need to do that? I'm just gonna try rebuilding, because the name of the interface is different. I'm just gonna try rebuilding it once. If it doesn't work, we can always intercept... Oh shoot, that's not what I meant to do. We can always intercept and see what it's actually trying to access, what property. Now, you know, while I'm doing that, I could go to sway source. Where's the login D backend? Oh, wait, hold on. This is an old source. What's the source? libseat backend login d. Okay. What's the line number? 325. Active. I think it's trying to check for this. The line number sure matches up. So it's actually on the session. Ooh, active. I'll check if session's active. Yeah, sounds right. So I just need to think it's gonna do it. And then finally here, log.debug, querying, on session ID, switch key, case active, return state is state.active, I think would be appropriate. I don't know what format it expects. SDBus get property trivial. What does that look like? SDBus get property. What the fuck? What is this? Enter container? Okay, I guess we just cast this to a string then. Return nothing. Make this async. Let's see if this gets hit at all. I hate Debus so much. Yes, yes! Finally speaking the truth. Ooh. Great progress, though. I mean, I can log in. SHD starts up. I can log in. I can almost start Sway. And with just like a couple of patch files on top of an existing systemd arrangement. How cool is that? My devices are set up, right? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna call it Sway. Hey, what the fuck? It should be set. Is it because I'm root? And try logging in as user. Do I have a user here? Oh, I have Kate. I don't have a user. Kate. try launching. Come on, xtg runtime dir run user 1000 sway. Can I get primary session for user? Come on, it's querying for so much. What in tarnation? I know, I agree. Get display session. I get primary session for user, okay. SDUID get display, what the hell is this now? Display. So we are going to be writing a file like this that contains a bunch of that data. I don't know what the display is supposed to say though. We need to go back to login source. No data available. Display. Display. What the fuck is a display supposed to be? I guess I could look at the create session request, but I feel like it's being a little baby because, yeah, so display is empty. Oh wait, that's a... Oh no, there's a session file. What the fuck, dude? Oh, wait. XTG session ID, xpin. What's PID? What's get session? PID get session, whatever. C group PID get session. Okay, let's look at our own C group. And it's kind of suspicious that our runtime directory is also unset. Whoa, hold on, what the hell? What is this? So create session is failed. Oh, Duplicate type name within an assembly. What the fuck? Speech this session. Is it because? No. No. User? Is it because of this? Doesn't even tell me what is duplicated. Line 257. What's there? 257. Register object async session. Wait. Oh, this is also session 0. We already have a session 0. So when we're destroying our sessions, we have to... Okay, I understand. So we need to deregister them with our dbus manager. That's one issue, at least, I think. Let's deregister these. Sessions contains key session ID. unregistered objects. Okay, it's unregistering, not deregistering. Okay, let's see if that helps a bit, but I assume it's not going to be hit. Ah, fuck you. Because I think you need to log out and log back in to create a session with a duplicate ID. This is a funky error, though. I feel like this is the one. This is gonna be the one. How could it not be the one? User. No, it's not user. It's Kate. Okay. Oh, hi. We're at least registering the session. If you look at run systemd seats users 1000, nothing in there, only Kate. Only that my name is Kate. It's more due to like my debug prints and everything. Whoa, hold on. Okay. Turn. No, it's still having trouble creating the session. Property get method. Okay, I'll just look it up within my dbus library. Oh, it must return a task object, not a task string. We are so close, you guys. Why is that a problem? Yeah, because we have the interface. Okay, rebuild. What is this music? Would you like to know? Or are you expressing incredulity? It's by an artist called Recovery Girl. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom, but I want to wait this one last build before I leave. Because I feel like we're so close. You feel it is pretty hard to listen to this. I apologize. You know what? I will pause it until I can get back and pick something that will capture everyone's heart and soul. Okay? Now just show me that there is no issue here. Okay. Run systemd sessions. There we go. There's our session. Sway. it Okay, I need to be piping it to a file and viewing its output because the VT is being reset, so I can't see the output from Sway, but it's presumably saying something like an error. Okay, I'll be back real quick. Okay, just stick around. I'm back! And I'm back. And I will find us something to occupy our ears. But first, President Not Sure One, drummer Prog 0512. Thank you guys for the follows. What was I listening to the other day? Oh yeah, okay. I feel like this is pretty agreeable. Everyone would enjoy listening to this. Okay, so yeah, next thing to do is pipe the output of Sway to a file that we can read through SSH to see what it's exactly saying. What it's complaining about. Oh, you know, I have a feeling it has to do with the devices that are part of Seed Zero. And it's probably a UDEV thing, but don't quote me on. Oh, it's not user. It's fucking Kate. Let's at the same time SSH in. And let's at the same time, move this font out of here. Probably to like root and make it world readable. Because it's failing when I log in as Kate. So let's just modify profile.d set font with vim, not y. Cool. Probably sync the database, file system. What am I looking at? Sorry. Okay, now I do sway into temp sway log. You know, I should probably touch sway log. Tail F sway log. I'll just launch sway. Set type does not. Okay, set type on session. We can do that. Easy. Easy peasy. And let's be sure what set type is supposed to do. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, well, I guess we could try parse that, just in case. Okay. This needs to be an async. Come on. The fuck? Take away this blame. And let's try rebuilding everything. Did we sync the file system? General Phantoms, thank you for the follow. Did I mistype my... Oh, I didn't. Tail F temp sway log. Oh well. Okay. Okay. No output? Timeout, waiting session. Oh, it's waiting for like a signal. Oh my god, that's such a pain. Why is it so much more integrated into login D now? Because again, I was using an earlier version of Sway. And it was much better. Timeout waiting session to become active. Session check active. Oh, you know, we should probably lie and say that the session is active no matter what. I think. Does it? It's probably because we're not setting the... Where's our get key? Come on. Under here? Here? Okay. Probably not setting state correctly. We're probably not writing to it anywhere, I don't think. It only becomes online. I guess we could do state is online either. It could be either one of those. Guys, we are so close. I can just feel it. You and I, we're gonna make it. It happened! Okay, I don't have a terminal emulator. I don't. Or, well, do I have. I don't think I have keybinds. Can I? Oh, wait. Do I have a keyboard? I don't think I have keyboard. Oh, I don't have a mouse input either. Is it trying to grab the input device? Do I even have input devices marked as part of my seat? I can do sharpinit CTL list seats. Okay, those are part of it. Failed to allocate SHM file for key map. Well, what does that mean? I know, we did it, you guys. We are now swaying. Why would it fail to allocate any of this? Is it because my file system is read-only or something? Is my home directory broken? Okay, let's look this up and see what's up with us. With this. Can I search within here? Yeah. Oh, do I need to, like, mount a bunch of the, like... I think I need to maybe allocate some SHM something somewhere under dev. Yeah, I need to mount something under somewhere. Do I? Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. That's Sway OS. It is. It's Arch, but I replaced systemd with my own thing. You know, I'm just gonna add this to our .NET init script because I'm lazy. Am I doing that right? Oh, what did you do with your mint build? You switched to SysB units or something? Oh god, why am I back in Arch? Oh, well, okay, that's normal. Okay, I need to create the directory. Oh god, what? Okay, sway. Oh, and there we go. I still don't have a terminal. I can switch workspaces. I think I need to install, like... I also don't have X-Wayland, so that's a problem. Let's just log in and install all of those. Hackman S... X-Wayland... what's it called? Xorg X-Wayland, okay. Okay. Let's end our sway session. Hopefully that'll work correctly. It should. It did. Sway back in. Try to start a terminal. It's not, I don't think it's configured correctly. I don't think there even is a configuration. Home, Kate, config, sway, or... You know, probably copy it from user share, sway, no default. Okay, whatever. Or is it an etc? Where is the default sway config? Okay, there it is. Put. Should I just install put? Okay. There we go. Now we have a terminal in here. And we do sharpinit ctl -- users status -- slice. I don't think that's gonna... we might be better off... Well, let's just try it anyway. I don't think it's gonna output anything fun. Ready graphical .target. Okay, list some units. Okay. It's very small, unfortunately. It's very hard to read what's going on. Oh, I don't think this is running any... Oh, yeah, it's not running any units. Now I can do... make the sharpinit socket file world readable. So from here I can do sharpinit ctl status dash dot slice. It's gonna give me a little C group tree. Very hard to read. I acknowledge that. Holy shit. We have our SH session. We have our sway session. We have a bunch of units that haven't been pruned but should be pruned. We have internet connection. That didn't do anything for some reason. IPA. Yeah, we have an internet connection. I don't know. You know, what more could a person want? What more could a person want? What more could a person ask for? And shit, what would I do? Oh, you know what would be funny? If I did sharpinit ctl start shutdown.target. What do you think that's gonna... Oh, shoot. Okay. Anyway. Jesus. Very legit. I know. Let's end our session. Give ourselves a pat on the back. We just booted Arch Linux using our systemd replacement. And what did we change? This is the extent of the patching that we had to do. Those files. Not even all of them. Not even all of them. I think this is a good place to end the stream, you guys, okay? I know I'm ending it sort of like at prime time, Friday night. But I didn't expect to get this far today, so I don't know what to do next. I don't know where to go from here. I might raid someone. You too, guys, you too. And thank you guys so much for watching what I do. Let's see if we can find someone to raid. My raid thing doesn't load, which is fun. Just fun. No one I follow is live. I'm gonna send you guys somewhere good. Okay, I'm gonna send you guys. You can trust me. Fuck, do you get to software and game development? Oh my god. Yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. If this all sounds interesting, thank you. It all sounds interesting to you? Maybe you didn't see where, but yeah, we're here now. Yeah, if this sounds interesting, consider dropping a follow. Do you guys have any suggestions as to who? Oh, okay, this guy's doing like a cheat engine type thing. I'm not sure that would be too interesting. It's the most interesting that I've seen scrolling down. I know, yeah. Now I can direct my energy towards what truly matters, which is making the ricest, the most riced out arch. God damn it. Oh my god, I don't know who to raid. You know, this guy says boring stuff, do not watch, thanks. It's working. I'm gonna go send you guys to him. Okay? Y'all take care. And have a good day, have a good Friday, have a good weekend, hopefully. Hopefully I'll stream again sometime, and I'll get to see you guys again, and you guys get to see me again, and hopefully I'll have some more progress. Anyway, bye. Bye now. Oh god, I need to watch an ad to see.